The probable relationship between lightning, Fulgurite, Ejecta, missile systems going offline, and spooked crews. There was a UAP incident in Mexico where it was said the UFOs appeared and then the UFOs cut the electricity off in the area. Or maybe there's a more mundane explanation. Electrical power lines were grounding, which generated arcing, creating weird aerial light effects, which were mistook for alien craft by the local population. Eventually, the grounding caused a breaker to trip and the power was turned off. So let's explore something similar involving Fulgurite ejecta, often called ball lightning, missile systems failures, and the common cause of all of this, lightning ground strikes. When I worked in the Washington, D.C. area, a geologist friend of mine had a collection of fulgurites. Fulgurites are vitrified soil from lightning strikes. Many consist of dendritic glass tubes. As the glass tubes form, the plasma inside, consisting of silicon and other earth materials, can only expand in one direction, upward into the atmosphere. We often hear of the term ball lightning. However, lightning is a linear attempt to discharge an electrical imbalance. A ball or sphere is the most concentrated shape a mass can take. A mass with the same electrical charge couldn't exist in a ball form because it would fly apart. But if the electrical charge is dissipated into the ground, the plasma can then leave as a ball-shaped ejecta from the fulgurite. And this glowing Fulgurite ejecta would definitely be something strange and be taken by observers as UAPs. So I did some research to find someone also thinking along the same lines and found someone with credentials better than mine, John Abramson, a New Zealand chemical engineer who has also come to the conclusion ball lightning is the ejecta from Fulgurites, and has worked out how the material could be somewhat stable for a while, since it is somewhat similar to the industrial processes he has been developing. I have provided links in the description section to an article discussing his work. Now we can turn to how lightning might relate to the missile system malfunctions. Almost 37 years after the end of World War I, on the 17th of July 1955 in Flanders, a lightning bolt struck a power pylon, and the bolt detonated a 454-ton mine left buried 65 feet in the ground from the First World War, designed to blow up the German trenches. But it wasn't used when the front lines moved. Lightning can reach down and induce electrical current in man's equipment. Minuteman missile control centers are about 40 to 60 feet below the surface. They are designed to be insulated from electromagnetic pulses, and if something like that makes it through to the control systems, the systems are designed to exclude a pulse as a non-legitimate signal, so not to accidentally launch the missiles. During the famous Malmstrom missile base incident of 1967, according to Captain Robert Salais, who received a telephone call from a guard on the surface, the guard reported strange activity in the sky. Then the missile systems went offline. Various tests were conducted by engineers from Boeing and the Space and Missile Systems Office to try to recreate the failure in contractor laboratories and on site. But the tests were unable to duplicate the exact failure. There were limitations as to what they could do to replicate the event. It is a basic belief by those engineers involved it was a result of a lightning strike EMP. However, the systems did fail safe. They wouldn't launch. The documents regarding this are available thanks to the Black Vault site, and I have provided that link in the description section below. So it is for you to decide, did aliens or interdimensional beings visit the base and turn off the missile systems, or did a lightning strike generate both Fulgurite ejecta and the electromagnetic pulse, causing the systems to fail?